Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Now we are going to discuss the second theorem of the chapter in class 9th, that is the by seeing the diagram only you all came to know that the theorem is the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. So we are going to prove this. First we'll understand the theorem. The theorem states that the perpendicular line which is joining from center to the chord bisects the chord. When the line is drawn from the center, it divides the chord into two equal parts. Means AM is equals to MB. So we are given with OM is perpendicular to AB. And we need to prove that AM is equals to MB. So we need to do some construction to prove this. We need to join OA and OB. So we will start the proof. We should compare these two triangles. Triangle OMA and triangle OMB. Here the perpendicular, if OM is perpendicular to AB, the angle formed here is 90 degree. So these two angles will be equal. We can even mention in the given that angle OMA is equals to angle OMB, where these two angles are is equals to 90 degree. So we will write that angle OMA is equals to angle OMB because those two angles are equals to 90 degree, and OA is equals to OB because these two are radii of same circle. And OM is common side for both triangles. So by RHS congruent rule, these two triangles are congruent to each other. By RHS rule, we will get that AM is equals to MB. By CPCT. Now we will learn this practically. So here is a circle with same diagram. We are going to cut this so that we will see that these two sides are equal or no. So we got the two triangles here, and we will see that yes, these two sides are equal. So this is AM and this is MB, and when we overlap these two triangles, these two sides are equal. Now we also have a converse theorem for this. The converse theorem states that the line drawn through the center of a circle to a chord, to bisect a chord, is perpendicular to the chord. The converse theorem a line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. The converse theorem is the line which is drawn which bisects the chord is perpendicular to the chord. The main theorem was stating that if this is perpendicular to the chords are equal. But in converse theorem, if chords are equal, the angle is 90 degree. So we will prove that. And we are given now the chords are equal. So AM is equals to MB. Now we should prove that OM is perpendicular to AB. That is, angle OMA is equals to angle OMB is equals to 90 degree. So here also we need to do the same construction. We should join OA and OB. Proof is, we need to compare these two triangles. In triangle OMA and triangle OMB, AM is equals to MB, which is given. OA is equals to OB. Radii of same circle, and AM is the common side. So triangle OMA is congruent to triangle OMB by SSS rule. Now the CPCT will be these two angles are equal. Angle OMA is equals to angle OMB by CPCT. We proved that these two angles are equal, but these two angles should be 90 degree. So angle OMA plus angle OMB will be 180 degree, because these two angles are called linear pair because these two angles are lying on a line. So the reason will be these are linear pair. Angle OMA is equals to angle OMB. So in place of OMB I can write OMA. When we add, we will get 2 OMA is equals to 180. Here it is in multiplication sign. When it is converted to RHS, it will be in division. So 180 degree by 2. Angle OMA is equals to 90 degree. We proved that the line drawn from the center of a circle to bisect the chord is perpendicular to the chord. So we'll see in these two triangles the angles are equal and these two angles are 90 degree. Hope you all understood. Thank you.